Hi, my name is Carlo, and I am enrolled in the beginner motorcycle mechanics course. I took this course because I've been riding motorcycles for a long time, but I've always relied on other people to do maintenance and troubleshooting. So this course is helping me to learn a bit more about my motorcycle. I found out about the beginner motorcycle mechanics course online, and a couple of friends of mine have been through it as well, so they recommended I do it myself. The course itself has been more than I've expected. We get the chance to work in a proper workshop with all the tools available to us, and we're actually doing maintenance and service tasks on our own motorcycles. So it's been so much more than what I expected. This course is definitely going to be beneficial to me in the future, whether it's being out on the road and having to do some troubleshooting, but also maybe I'll consider a career in the mechanics industry. Now, the class has 10 students in it. It's a great way to learn, and I've met some great new friends. We get to about 20% of the time in theory, and the rest of it is actually working on our motorbikes in the workshop. So it's really cool to apply immediately after learning about the concepts. So the facilities for this course are really great. You can see the whole workshop behind me, and we have a whole room full of tools and all the gadgets that we need to mess around with our bikes. I highly recommend this course. It's really great for motorcycle owners who want to get to know their motorcycles better. You get to work on your own bike, and you get to play with all the tools that are available here in the workshop. This course has been really great because personally I like learning new things, and this is just right up my alley. It's really great for my personal well-being and mental health, I think, because it gives me something else to do other than the normal 9 to 5. And so it's been great variety. It's brought great variety into my life. As you can probably tell, I'm in my mid-40s. I've been out of school for a long time, but going to night school at New City College has been pretty life-changing. Thank you so much for watching. You can see more stories and videos like mine on the New City College website.